So, in the student book, page 221, that is the explanation for perimeter. Okay. So, see, what's the first question? Padma's table has a width of 1 meter. So, we know one width means the shorter side, is it? And a length of 2 meter. Length means longer side is the length. How can she find the perimeter of the tabletop? Okay. She want to find the perimeter of this tabletop. So we know the perimeter is the length around the table. Okay. In this case, length around this table is the perimeter. Okay. So how we can find? We know the equation. Either you can do 2 meter plus here. If it is 1 meter, here also it will be 1 meter. Is it? 2 meter plus 1 meter plus 2 meter plus 1 meter. Or we can straightaway use the equation, which is the correct method. How we can use the equation? 2 times width plus 2 times length. That is 2 multiply 1 meter plus 2 multiply 2 meter. Is it? What is 2 multiply 1 meter? It is 2 meter itself. 2 multiply 2 meter is 4 meter. Then what is 2 plus 4? That is equal to 6 meter. Is it? That is how we find the perimeter. Look here. So suppose here it is shown. It has shown like she is using a rope to measure this. So the width side is 1 meter. So the rope length also like that. Look here. See, 1 meter and the other side 2 meter, again 1 meter and 2 meter. Remember this perimeter of the shape is the total length around the shape. Okay. So for the rectangle we can say width plus length plus width plus length. Okay. So the perimeter of Padma's tabletop is how much? We know it is 6 centimeter. That is 2 meter plus 2 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter. That is equal to 6 centimeter. So for a rectangle, this is the same thing what we discussed in the first video. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. Or you can say 2 times width plus 2 times length. Both are same. Okay. See, in the previous explanation I had made a mistake. Did you notice that? Yeah, what was it? I said 2 meter plus 2 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter is 6 centimeter. But what is it? The answer is meter. Yeah? I mistakenly said like that. Sorry. So it is when we add all the meters, the answer will be meter. If you are adding all the centimeters, the answer will be centimeter. Okay. In this student book, there are the explanation for different types of word problems. Okay. So first you read the question and I am explaining the answers also. So please listen here. Please try to understand this thing. Okay. So what's the next question? A square swimming pool is a square. It is given. For square and rectangle, the area, the perimeter equations are different. So here it is. A square swimming pool has a perimeter of 28 meters. So already the answer is given. In the other case, we were finding the perimeter. But here already the perimeter is given. How much is the perimeter? It is 28 meter. Find the length of each side. We want to find the length of each side. So we know for a square, what is the perimeter? All the sides are same for a square. Is it? 4 multiply side is equal to the perimeter. So what will be the side? Side will be the perimeter divided by 4. Why? Because all the sides are same. All these sides together we are getting 28. So one side means the total, what's the length? Total length divided by the number of sides. Okay. We learned that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by the length of a side. In order to find the length of a side with a non-perimeter, we must divide the perimeter by 4. Okay. Why we are dividing here by 4? Because all the 4 sides are same. So what is 28 divided by 4? Just think the multiplication. Either you can do the division method or think the multiplication of which number? Multiplication of 4. Okay. Just think 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So what number gives you 28? That is 4 multiply 7. Is it? So what will be 28 divided by 4? 28 divided by 4 will be 7. So since the side is mentioned in meter, we need to write that measurement unit also. It is 7 meter. So each side of the pool has a length of 7 meter. Is it? You try in the opposite way. 7 meter is the side. So what will be the perimeter? 7 multiply 4. That is equal to 28 meter. Is it clear? So if you are getting the side, you need to multiply by 4 in the case of square to get the perimeter. And in the case of perimeter, if the perimeter is given, you need to divide by 4 to get the length of one side. Okay. Is it clear for you? So the questions will be twisted. So you need to read it. You need to thorough. If you are doing some few sums of the same pattern, it will be thorough for you. Okay. Now we can go through some practice sums in page 223. So what's the question? Tia's computer has a width of 22 centimeter and the length of 30 centimeter. What is the perimeter of her computer? It is very easy for you. You know what is width and you know what is length. And we know 2 times width plus 2 times length give you the perimeter. Is it? Always by heart the equation. This year you are only studying 2 equations. So it is very easy for you. It's for square. Total 4 equations. Perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, area of square, area of rectangle. So coming to higher classes, you will be studying more equations. So this year itself you study this. Okay. So perimeter, we know 2 times length plus 2 times what will come? Width. Is it? So 2 times 30 plus 2 times 22. So what is 2 times 30? It is 60 and 2 times 22 is 44. Then what you need to do? You need to add these to get the answer. Okay. So same way you can do the next one. Look at the question. What is the question? A square wooden block has a side of length 6 centimeters. So it is given here square wooden block. Square. In the previous case it was a rectangle. Why? Because the length and breadth were different. Is it? One is 22 and another was 30. So it was different. So we know it was a rectangle. But in this case it is given it is a square. Means what? All the sides are same. Has a side of length 6 centimeter. So one side is given 6 centimeter. Find the perimeter of one side of the, find the perimeter of the block. Okay, no need to say one side of the block. Find the perimeter of the block. Length of one side is given. So what is the perimeter of the block? So what is perimeter? This one side is wrong. Okay, just strike this one side. Perimeter of the block. So what's perimeter? We know it is 4 times side or 4 multiply side. So what is the side here? It is 6 centimeter. So what is 4 multiply 6? It is 24 centimeters. Why? Because here the length is centimeters. Is it clear for you? Like this you need to go through this and you need to first make it thorough. Then you can do the homework. First you practice these sums. Okay. So question number 3. All these you try to do it yourself and I will send you another video with answers and after doing you check the answers. Okay. Samit drew a square with a perimeter of 36 centimeter. What is the length of each side? It's a square. Okay, perimeter. So side. What is the equation for side? It is perimeter divided by 4. Is it? So you just do what is the perimeter? You know, write the perimeter divided by 4. Then you think the multiplication of 4 and see where 36 comes. 4 multiply what number gives you 36? 4 multiply 9 gives you 36. So what will be the side length of the side? 9 centimeter. Is it? Like this you can do that. So always actually you need to do the long division to find the perimeter. But this here the question numbers are really small numbers. So it is easy for you by just calculating the multiplication table. Thinking about the multiplication tables you can do it. Okay. When you go to higher classes you need to do the long division to find the perimeter. So what's the next question? Look at the rectangle. Here a rectangle is given. Complete the following. Before starting, just have a look here. Here 75 meter is given. So what will be this opposite side? It also will be 75 meter. Why? For rectangle these two sides are same and these two sides are same. Opposite sides are same. Is it? So and the perimeter is given here. What is the perimeter? It is 210. So this side plus this side plus this side plus this. All the 4 sides together is 210. We know this is 75 and this also will be 75. So 75 plus 75 is 150. That is twice the length. Then this also will be there. What will be this? So we know from 210 if we subtract 150, how much we are getting? It is 60. That 60 will be what? It is the sum of this side plus this side and these two sides are same. So what we should do? It is 60 divided by 2. What is 60 divided by 2? It is 30. So the width is 30 meter. If you want to check whether your answer is correct, length as 75 and width as 30, you just try 2 into 75, that is 150, plus 2 into 30, that is 60. So 150 plus 60 gives you 210. That is the perimeter. So you can check the answers also. So just like multiplication and division, we know na, when we multiply a number, we get this third number. That third number divided by one number of the multiplication gives you the other number. Same way you can check these answers also. So coming to question number 5. Question number 5. I'm sure you can do this. All of you are really clever students. Only problem is bit talkatives and all, but all of you are really good in math. I know that. So try to do this yourself. After that, you check the answer. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me over WhatsApp. You please clear your doubts. I'm finishing the portion today, but you can do your homeworks in 2-3 weeks. Where whenever you feels to do it, you please do it and send me the answers and clear your doubts. Okay, try to send this as early as possible. And even workbooks also, even if I'm not giving you as homework, now you can finish all the pages in textbooks and workbooks. Any doubts, please let me know. Okay, some questions are little confusing for you because the explanations are not given there. Next year you will be studying that. If you come across such questions, I will tell you. Okay, so you just try whenever you whenever you are getting time, you please go through the workbooks and textbooks, make it thorough and study that. Okay. Next question number 5. Look at the square. Complete the following. We know side equals 60. So what will be perimeter for a square? It is 4 times side. Is it? Side is 60. So 4 times 60. 4 times 60 means what? You just do 4 multiply 6 and put 1 0. What is 4 multiply 6? It is 24 and 1 0. So what is the answer? It's 240 centimeter. Is it? So you just keep my explanation in your mind and close your, after that you go through these videos, then take your textbook and try to do it yourself. Okay.